a kitchen where everything should work around you, where every detail reflects your taste and style. Introducing the newest Princess Sarah Potato Cutter. Elevate your cooking experience with Princess Sarah's Potato Cutter, where style meets substance and every meal becomes a masterpiece.
Hello everyone, my name is Seneca Noraila Plana, and for now, I'll be presenting to you the latest Moses Kitchen appliance, the Princess Sarah Potato Cutter. So our advertisement might have already given you a gist of what this looks like. But in my presentation alone, I'm going to tell you why there is definitely more to expect with Princess Sarah Potato Cutter. So these are the common slicing or grating problems in the kitchen. First is uneven slices. I think everyone here encountered this. It is messy, disorganized, and doesn't cook the food evenly. Next is sticking to the knife. Sticking to the knife requires a lot of skills, meaning you need to have an expert with you when you're using a knife. Thirdly is hand fatigue. So a lot of tools requires inefficient energy that can lead to hand fatigue. For example, some tools requires you to make repeated motions, and this can tire your wrist easily. And fourthly, and the most dangerous of them all, is risk of injury. This is the most dangerous as this can lead to hospitalization and when worse comes to worse, even death. So those are the things that we're trying to mitigate with our product. So in our status quo, potato dicers try to fix this by being more time efficient. But at the same time, potato dicers also requires a lot of force, meaning a lot of your energy is centered only on your wrist, and this can be a big source of hand fatigue. And if you're not strong enough or you don't have the proper weight enough to use a potato dicer, there's a big chance that your slices might come out unevenly. Next are the steel slicers. Steel slicers might be easy to operate as it is straightforward, but at the same time, it is potentially dangerous because your hands are in contact with the blade itself. And at the same time, because of the linear motion you have to make, it is very tiring to use in the long term. So, what is our product about? It is basically a multi-purpose potato slicing equipment. It is a grater, a slicer, a bowl, and a strainer all in one compact kitchen equipment. Meaning, you don't have to bring all of those things because you already have it in the Princess Sarah Potato Cutter. So this is what our product looks like now. This is our final product. As you can see, we always use colors that is very pleasing to the eye. And at the same time, we have fixed a lot of problems in the past. For example, we have put joints there, we have put proper measurements there in order to fit our customer's desire. So our first product's feature is the detachable bowl. As you can see here, our bowl can be detached in order for you to use it as anything you would like to use. For example, as a cereal bowl or just a popcorn bowl at a regular day. Next, if you remove the bottom part of the bowl, you can actually use it as a strainer. We are using ABS plastic here, which means that it can withstand hot temperatures from a boiling water. Next is we have a rotary grater, which this can be repurposed for other vegetables too, and at the same time, a good grater for cheese. You can remove our rotary grater, then replace it with a rotary slicer in order to make potato chips. And lastly, we have a food pusher so your hands won't be in the vicinity of the blades, making it safer to use. So this is what our final product looks like. Okay, so what makes Princess Sarah unique? First, is the rotating motion. Rotational motion often allows to amplify force or speed with minimal energy input. This leads to leverage and can lead to more efficient utilization of energy compared to linear motion. Next, since our product has replaceable blades, that also means that it can be used not just for potatoes, but also as a cheese grater, or if you want to slice other vegetables like carrots, celeries, and the likes. Next, we're using a light material here, or the ABS plastic. This is considered a good material for various applications due to its several key characteristics like durable to physical and chemical forces and high temperature, and it is also known for its strength and toughness, which is suitable for so many purposes. Next, the bowl can be used for putting other dishes like cereals or just eating on a normal day, or if you want to put popcorns in it while watching your favorite Netflix film. And lastly, because you have no contact with the slicer at all, this means it is less, or even we can say zero chances of putting yourself into injury. And that would be all. Thank you.